There's a feeling in the air walking through these halls, that distinct sense of higher learning happening. There's excitement delivered by an undeniable understanding that seems to give each student a more intentional and positive feeling about their future. This is South Central College with campuses in Faribault and Mankato, Minnesota, an institution ready to prepare each student with advanced skills and knowledge specifically designed to promote a more certain and successful career path. In its 80-year history, South Central College has built a long-respected academic reputation. There's a strong sense of history baked in here, as this college has always been intentionally focused. Call it vocational, or technical, or skilled trades. South Central College pays homage to those in the workforce who get things done through specific skill sets and work ethics based upon perseverance and dedication to a job well done, all designed for success right out of the gate.
Mastercam has truly enhanced our curriculum in the second year through geometry, toolpath creation, understanding the toolpath motions, the functionality of what the programs can do, so that students really have a process plan when they go out and machine the part. It helps with their understanding of design, as we can in Mastercam do design work. It also helps with the understanding of how the machine thinks when it looks at that part.
If the idea of making things using your own hands and creating ways to accomplish them interests you, the Machine Tool Technology Department at South Central College will provide all the knowledge you'll need, not only to land that perfect job upon graduation, but to provide a steady stream of challenging and creative progress going forward. And how do they do that?
And South Central College has a very unique story. Our story goes back to 1946 when it started as a college in a small room. You fast forward to today, and we're a two-campus college with very strong industry programs. Within the Machine Tool Technology program, they have a multitude of skills that they need. And so you got manual mills, you have lathes, you have CNC machines, and with CNC machines, are powered by software. That's where companies like Mastercam comes in. Mastercam is like the go-to for many industry partners when it comes to CAD and CAM software needs that powers and delivers coding for our CNCs. And for the students to have these skills is a game changer in many cases. And to have this talent right here in our regional area provides South Central College Machine Tool Technology program with a competitive advantage.
We both started this program almost 2 years ago, and we both didn't really have a lot of background in it. We had a little bit from different trades and stuff, and we came into the machining, and it turns out we really enjoyed it and had a lot of success in the first semester and the second semester stuff. And there's a lot of manual stuff, starting off Bridgeports and manual lathes. Then we moved into the CNCs, and then this year we've started learning Mastercam and really pushing hard on the Mastercam design and modeling and working with toolpaths and G-code.
Yeah, it's been really exciting getting into this more intricate machining aspects. I'm really enjoying it.
Yeah. Mastercam really helps to understand how the toolpaths work and how the machines are reading the code. Just being able to put Mastercam that you know it on your resume is huge.
Mastercam has been proven, time and again, to provide the knowledge base graduates need to understand, not only to land a great position upon graduation, but simply by being so well respected around the world. Understanding Mastercam nearly guarantees a successful and prosperous career path.
I choose to use Mastercam in our curriculum, one, because the functionality is very user-friendly. Two, the support we get from ProtoTek Engineering speaks volumes to any question that we may have. The support is there, and it's there quick. I've had many opportunities to go up and have training at ProtoTek Engineering. It's always been a nice place to go, welcoming, answering any questions I may have, and all the instructors here at South Central College have used ProtoTek Engineering as a training to further our education.
Every Mastercam user in this region enjoys immediate access to the award-winning technical support professionals at ProtoTek. With just one phone call or email away, Any Mastercam user in need of personalized assistance can rely upon ProtoTek's guidance and direction. All users of this exceptional CAM software within Minnesota, Wisconsin, and the Dakotas understand. By being well trained in Mastercam, they experience multiple advantages over those who often stumble along using other CAM platforms. And the added services don't stop there. With ProtoTek's 2 dedicated professional training centers, Mastercam users can expand their knowledge of this exceptional CAM software platform, which is important as the capabilities of Mastercam grow with a fresh new release of the software every summer. The administrators, instructors, and students inside the Machine Tool Technology Department at South Central College use Mastercam as a guiding force, helping to provide a more successful career path. And they rely upon ProtoTek to assist them in doing the hard work of teaching the art of CAD/CAM programming in the classroom. Results often speak for themselves.
Mastercam just came so naturally to me, and with such a good instructor like John, I was able to pick it up and has been a big part of my journey. I've able to land this really good career that I've been working with at ZF. From here on out, I'd used it every day at work and everything's run perfect. I've put out some great parts and here we are.
The robust manufacturing curriculum at South Central College, combined with the power and prestige of #1 ranked Mastercam, all while relying on the technical support and knowledge-advancing training from ProtoTek, there's no combination more effective. This is how South Central College provides each graduating student with a more clear and smoother path forward, resulting in a sustained, respected, and prosperous future.